Young leaders are the need of this developing nation, and today we are honored to have with us a young visionary, a leader with great discipline, a heart of simplicity and empathy, a mind filled with curiosity and a wealth of wisdom. With great pride, I now invite the CEO of Rainbow School, Mr. Wishwas Modegunta, to address the gathering and share his inspiring words.
Good morning, everyone. I firstly want to thank all staff for staying late yesterday and setting up the whole field, not just for Independence Day, but also for Sports Day. And I think many of you might take it for granted, but they spent pretty much all day long till 8 p.m. last night fixing everything for you guys. So take a moment to thank them when you can. The other thing I wanted to share was the last time I got the opportunity to be a part of any Independence Day was probably 10, 15 years ago. So today was a good welcome back and it was an exceptional performance. So thank you to the choir team as well. Today, as we gather to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation, we remember the countless sacrifices that brought us the freedom that we enjoy today. Our leaders and freedom fighters fought not just for the political independence, but for the right for us to live with self-respect and dignity. Independence is not just a date in history. It's a responsibility. It asks us, what will we do with the freedom that we inherited? Will we use it to build a nation where every child is educated, every citizen feels safe, and every dream is possible? Imagine a young freedom fighter, perhaps in 1942, at just 18 years old, standing before a British officer, knowing he might be jailed or beaten, but refusing to step back. He wasn't thinking about himself that day. He was thinking about us. You, me, and every future generation ahead that would one day walk freely under the Indian sky. Today, we live that dream. We speak our own language, elect our own leaders, and we chase our own ambitions. But freedom is not just the absence of chains, but it's the presence of responsibility. It calls us to fight new battles against ignorance, against inequality, corruption, and division. Make small changes in your lives to make this country a better place. Something as little as not throwing garbage out the bus window or the car window, or making sure you use your resources responsibly. India's journey since 1947 has been a remarkable one, from an economy that was recovering to one of the fastest growing nations in the world. From limited resources to global achievements in science, technology, and space exploration. But our work is far from over. Let us pledge today to be responsible citizens, to protect our environment, protect diversity, uphold honesty, and contribute in our own ways to this great nation's progress. As we salute the Tricolour, let us remember that freedom thrives only when we nurture it with unity, hard work, and compassion. Thank you.